sekarang naik 6% mah. Mesti letak lalam. So letak harga lalam lah, naik lah.
Naik. Apa Aunty rasa bila harga naik? Aunty okey ke atau rasa macam mahal sangat?
Tapi dia naik sikit lah, okey lah. Bukan naik banyak lah. Okey lah.
Aunty, apa Aunty rasa tentang kerana banyak orang tak ada kerja, so apa Aunty rasa tentang itu?
Sekarang dia orang mau kerja senang, wang banyak. Ini macam patutlah dia tak ada kerja dulu rumah. Kalau mau orang betul-betul kerja punya mesti ada kerjanya. Kan?
Betul. Kak, கவர்மெண்ட் என்ன பண்ணுனாக்க இங்க இருக்கிறவங்களுக்குலாம் வேலை கிடைக்கும்.
நேபாள்காரங்களாம் வர வர மலேசியாவங்களே வேலை செஞ்சா
ஓகேப்பா. தேங்க்ஸ் அக்கா. What do you think the reason why the prices nowadays are increasing?
Walanda. Betul kau ni.
What's your opinion about inflation in Malaysia?
As an architect today, I can't able to buy architectural things such as technical pens on. So it's a quiet, disappointed one.
Can I agree with that? So what's your opinion about the employment rate in Malaysia?
As well, most of the teenagers
Graduated teenagers.
most of graduated teenagers searching for the work with high salary and also
My last question is, what action did government take to
Welcome from your
to overcome this problem as the government they have to stop hiring foreign workers from the overseas, and also they have to increase the salary of every employee in Malaysia.
Okay, thank you very much.